Two World Trade Center is a planned skyscraper as part of the World Trade Center complex in Manhattan, New York City. It will replace the original Two World Trade Center, which was completed in 1972 and subsequently destroyed during the September 11 attacks in 2001, and it will occupy the position of the original Five World Trade Center. The foundation work was completed in 2013. When completed in 1973, Two World Trade Center became the second tallest building in the world, behind its twin, One World Trade Center. The South Tower's rooftop observation deck was 1,362 feet high, and its indoor observation deck was 1,310 feet high. The World Trade Center towers held the height record only briefly. The Sears Tower in Chicago, finished in May 1973, reached 1,450 feet at the rooftop. Throughout its existence, however, the South Tower had more floors than any other building. This number was not surpassed until the advent of the Burj Khalifa, which opened in 2010. Of the 110 stories, 8 were set aside for technical services in mechanical floors, which were 4 two-floor areas that evenly spaced up the building. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.